Welcome! In front of me I have a AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the icon we need to tap if you want to enable the power saving mode. So this is the power saving mode icon basically. Tap on it, and then you will see this message basically telling you what the power saving mode does, and to confirm, press the upper button, and then the power saving mode will be enabled. As you can see, the screen is a lot dimmer. Also, it's barely visible, but on the home screen you have this icon. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but there's this icon at the top that shows you that the power saving mode is enabled. And if you open the control panel, the power saving mode icon will be highlighted. It will have color, and also, like I said before, it's barely visible because the screen is so dim on the watch. Okay, and if you want to disable the power saving mode, you can simply open the control panel. Can I make it visible somehow? Let me see if I can increase the brightness a bit. No. Oh, I can. Okay. So here we have it. You need to open the control panel, tap on the power saving mode icon, and the power saving mode will be disabled. And you will see even the message that the mode is disabled. The icon from the top will be gone from the top of the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is disabled. And if you open the control panel, the icon will be back to normal. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.